Hello, my friends, and welcome. I hope you're doing fine. And today we will do the next exercise of Exercism. Surprise! It's called reverse string. Let's go. Let me do this. All right. So reverse string instruction. Reverse a string. That's a cool instruction. For example, input cool, output Luke, whatever. Yeah, so this one will be really easy and it will not take a lot of time. So let's open our terminal and let's copy this, paste it here, and then copy this, CD there. All right, so let's open this one and the second one. Yeah. All right, cool. So it is it's not a class as usual. This one is a method. Replace the call and so we can delete this. All right, and then let's see what we have here. I'll make it bigger so you can see. All right, so if you have empty, it's empty. If you have robot, so basically, yeah, you just reverse everything without checking for like errors or whatever. You see here as well, it doesn't matter what you have. Like they have this one and it's reversed, and yeah, cool. So we just need to reverse string. All right, so let's go to Dartpad and let's delete this one. And let's put our, sorry, not this one, but this one. So let's copy this and paste it in here. All right. All right, so we have our method. It's a string and it is empty here. So the thing is, we need to say that it takes a parameter. If we go back here, we say it takes reverse. Yeah, here it takes a parameter. So I don't know why they have it empty here. I don't know. So we need to put like string and, for example, word. So this will be our parameter. Okay. So let's think about it. What we need to do. So we're getting a string, and then we need to reverse the string. So basically, if we have a string, we take the string, we cut it, and we reverse the order of that array, basically what we have. So let's do that. So we have, I'll say return. So we have a word. This is our string, dot, split. So we learned about split, and we split it at empty. And then let's see if there's a method or whatever that can do that for us. So basically we have our word now, and our word, for example, if we say our word is, as they put it, cool. Yeah, cool. So now it is like this. It is split. So it's now it's an array, basically. Cool. So dot. So we have first, last, single, length, reversed. All right. Let's keep that in mind. Is empty, is not empty, iterator, element add, join, last where, reduce, remove, not interesting. All of this not that interesting. Of course, we can use like for each or whatever and iterate through the list and then say, okay, just reverse the order. This, clear. All right, shuffle. Yeah, but that will shuffle randomly, so we don't need that. Sort, maybe sort, but we need to put a function. Okay, let's see what reverse does. So you can read it here. So iterable string get reversed. An iterable of an object in this list reversed order. All right, this is basically what we need. So you have 2, 3, 4. And then if you reverse it, you will get 4, 3, 2. Okay, sounds perfect. And then, cool. So now we have, what do we have now? We have a reversed, what is called? A reversed list. So, but we need a string. So what can we do? We can say dot join. So now we're putting all of that in one string. Cool. So let's test this. Print. Let's copy this. Reverse. And then let's say, for example, cool. Okay. Okay, so let's see if that works. Let's see. Come on. Yeah, looks good. All right, so let's take, for example, one of these robot. Let's test it. Come on. Okay, it looks like it's working. Cool. Yeah, so let's put it here. Save. And then let's change all of this to false. Come on. All right. False. Save. Okay. So as usual, dart popget. All right. So dart run test. You can see that, right? Oh, no, I need to put it up. Perfect. It's that easy. So not all of the exercises are like you need to make complicated stuff. It says easy. So yeah, make your life easy and make it as easy as possible. So yeah, that's the solution. And well, I showed you basically how I will approach this. I told you always to write things down. This one you can do it as well. So you can write, okay, what I need to do. So the steps. Okay, I have a string. I need to split that string to have the characters. Now, if I split the string, I have a list. Now, what can I do with the list? Is there a method for me that reverse all of that? If yes, okay, put that. If no, I need to write a method for that. And then at the end, I need to join everything together because I'm expecting to return a string. So that you have in your mind. And then basically you go, you go here and see whatever methods you have. Or you go on Stack Overview, and then you search for a solution that someone did. So basically, this is what software engineers do all the time. It's not the cool matrix thing that you see in the movies where some guy is hacking and typing all of this things. It's basically, yeah, you're searching on Google all the time and then copy pasting stuff. And hopefully you know what they do. That's the goal. So next time if you have the same problem, you will be like, okay, I know the problem, I know whatever. And by the way, there are let me see if yeah, there are something like snippet tools. So okay, I'm not using it that much, but so there are like snippet tools like this one. This is called SnippetsLab. So you can use this, for example, to store snippets. And next time if you say, oh, I need to put a circular button with an icon, you don't need to remember it. You just need to have a list, and then go there and copy that and then paste it in. So this is a cool way to have like to build your own list with a whole lot of snippets. It makes your life easier. So why to remember everything? We don't need to. Okay, cool. So that was an easy one. That was a short one. So I hope you learned something. If you did, give me a like, give me a sub. And I see you in the next one. Steve out. Ciao.